Thanks for clicking on this video here. So this first video, I'd like to go over some of the updates that we made in the first week of development of our 2D game called EleBlob. Just kind of run through a little clip and explain what we've done with the assets that we've made so far and how we're incorporating them into the game, and just kind of show that off. So first off, we initially started with a 32 by 16 pixel character located here in the middle. We have since changed it to a 16 by 16, so we've kind of shortened him and made him a little more stout. He's a little wider on the sides and much more thicker up in that chest area. And we've incorporated that into the game, so you can kind of see him walk around a little bit here, which it looks pretty cool. We've also played around with our sprite sheet. So we made our first master sprite sheet in a way here. So everything is pretty clean, everything makes sense. They seem to be fitting together pretty well. Kind of cartoonish, not super detailed, but that is where the lighting inside Unity really gives it some texture. Puts the shadows on it. I think it really makes the entire tile set kind of pop. And other than that, we've added some tokens. So our elemental tokens in a way, or our elemental orbs. We've added these into the game as a pickup. There's also a menu which isn't displayed in this particular video. We've put in the colliders, so when the character walks around, you will hear the collision with the wall. All of these elemental orbs are able to be picked up as well, and we have our little blob that follows you. Really simple so far, pretty basic stuff. In this particular video, we've taken care of these corner pieces so that they will match up. But yeah, that's where we're kind of at right now. We've just put most of our stuff in there in a very basic way. What we're looking forward to doing next week is adding in some mobs or monsters that you can interact with and really start fleshing out the battle routine that we're going to have or the battle mechanics for this particular game. But we just wanted to put it everything that we made right into at least a small sample size, so we can kind of see it and visualize how it's looking. I definitely like the lighting and how the pixels are being picked up in the certain lighting effects that we have in the game right now. But yeah, so if you're interested in this game, or if you're interested in seeing the progress and development of the game, if you want to go ahead and like or maybe comment, we're open to suggestions. We really haven't fleshed out a full plan as to where the game's going to go. So if there's something that you would like to see in the game, just comment it below. Also, feel free to follow us on our social media. So we have Twitter and Instagram. It's just EleBlob Game. Check us out there. We'll make more reoccurring posts there as well, so you'll see them more frequently there. But other than that, yeah, thanks a lot for clicking on the video, and hope you enjoy.